Hi family, Miss Aikens here doing our nature walk with words. And for today's word, I chose the word footprints. We're going to spell the singular version of it. So when you say the word footprint, it's actually a compound word. So we're saying the word foot and print together. But now let's listen to how many syllables we hear when we say footprint. Footprint. 2 syllables. Now let's listen for those sounds and find out what those vowel patterns are in the word footprint. So we got that's 3 sounds. Print. We got it. So we got I is our vowel in this one. These 2, your int. These are called blends. All right. So I'm going to turn my camera around in the sand and maybe we can find some footprints this morning and encode, spell the word footprint in the sand. In the word footprint, your footprint is 2 syllables. One, syllable 2. This first syllable is to be made by a vowel pattern O, O. And a print is to be made by the short vowel sound, this I. So now for footprint is spelled F, O, O. The same food. Here's a vowel, we're going to bring it up. Print. Here's our vowel. There's our word. Footprint. Alright, in the comments, let me know if you've ever been